Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD once again, and if you are new in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel because we are continue with this latest trends video. So let's come on now. Today in this video I am going to talk about that how you can be able to make the 2D and 3D games of mobile games without using any kind of coding. So how is it possible, and how you can be designed, and how you can be published? So everything is possible in this world, but thing is that you cannot be aware about it. Today I'm going to tell you about such all things. So let's gonna subscribe my channel and share this video, and don't forget to like this. So today I'm going to tell you that Buildbox. Today I'm going to talk about Buildbox. Don't forget it. Buildbox is a platform, or directly I will say it's a software. You have to download it from the official website Buildbox, and then what you have to do, you have to set up this software, and after all you have to start making the games in 2D or 3D mode without coding. So the thing is there, first thing you can see, the thing is there, you can make the game for Android, Windows, iOS, Linux, any kinds of there you can be able to make it. It's so easy, not too far. So this is the for the example I'm going to show you how the actually simulation look like when you are going to play it. So it's like this. For the example, it's your Buildbox account is there, and here you will see in this Buildbox account the thing is there. You can see here the templates, the front page is look like this. You can see here the filter, whether it's you are going to make in 3D, 2D, beginner, intermediate, advanced, racing, jumping, shooter. So it's very easy. You can choose the background, how the background you are looking for it. So whether you are like choose like this kinds, how you are feeling actually better to choose, so you can be able to choose the actually think here the components here. Actually the thing is there, here the objects and components are there. So it's very easy that you can choose such all categories here. Choose your label, your designing, your front edge, your object, your door key, your outdoor key, everything is there. You can be able to choose here. The thing is there, you have the thinking power, that how you have to set this location, how you have to guess it, and you can be able to make the think like very interactive. It's a full game of mind, how much you can be able to think, and how you can be get ready to make this software, make this game. Okay, so hope I think so here you have hope I think so here you have understand so much thing. Now I'm going to skip towards what's actually there, our version. I'm going to talk about the Buildbox. Creating games is simple. There is no programming or scripting needed. Use one of our many assets to get started and preview your game in real time. Buildbox is a fastest development tool ever created. Hit games like Color Switch and The Line Gen were made is a single week using Buildbox. So this thing is there, and the other thing is I'm going to show you here. There are so many games which had been developed by the Buildbox only. So the thing is there, you can be able to upload that game also. And Game Wizard is there. Quick start guidelines leading user through initial game setup for both 2D and 3D game. Brainbox, smart assets, and earning monetization. The thing is there, the problem actually when you are facing here, that the monetization is not allowed when you are using without the code. But here the thing is very best, that you can be able to monetize also. Plug and play ad monetization enables revenue by easily integrated top SDK into your app. This thing is there. So the publish you can be platform is there, iOS, Android, Windows, Steams. So this thing is there. I have just cover you everything in this platform. So simply what you have to do, you have to go in the download. You can see here the thing is available here. The link is available here in download free. You have to simply click it, install it, and just ready to just do the work and just make your game and just publish in the Play Store. So to publish in the Play Store, you have to make the developer account. For the developer account you have to need some little bit money, up to $25. That thing is another thing, but here it is providing free development, and you can be able to make the software game here easily by the Buildbox. So hope you have enjoyed this video so much, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe us, like this, share it, and we will continue with the amazing videos. Bye bye, take care.